Welcome back. Adding, subtracting, multiplying done. Today we finished the 4 operations, division of integers. And here is the good news, you already know most of it. Today's question. 4 friends run a small stall together. This week the stall makes a loss of 60 shillings and they agree to share it equally. How much does each friend carry? A loss of 60 shared among 4. Negative 60 divided by 4. By the end of this lesson, you'll answer instantly, sign and all. By the end of today, you will be able to do 3 things. First, divide integers by connecting every division to a multiplication fact you already know. Second, apply the sign rules, which are exactly the same as multiplications, plus the 2 special rules about 0. And third, use division in real life, sharing losses, rates of descent, and steady drops. Every division question is a multiplication question in disguise. That is the whole concept. Start from a fact we know from last lesson. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Flip it once. Negative 12 divided by 4 must be negative 3 because division just asks 4 times what gives negative 12. Flip it again. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. One multiplication fact gives you a whole family of division facts. And because division undoes multiplication, it obeys the same sign rules. Same signs give positive, different signs give negative. Nothing new to memorize. 2 special cases with 0, and they're not the same. 0 divided by any number is just 0. Share nothing among 5 people, everyone gets nothing. But dividing by 0 is undefined, it has no answer at all. Sharing 60 shillings among 0 people is not 0, the question itself makes no sense. 0 on top, fine. 0 at the bottom, forbidden. Same 2 steps as multiplication. Divide the sizes, then place the sign. Example A, negative 36 divided by 9. Sizes, 30 divided by 9 is 4. Signs, different. So the answer is negative 4. Check it, 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. It works. Example B, 48 divided by negative 6. 48 over 6 is 8. 1 sign of each kind, negative 8. Example C, negative 63 divided by negative 7. 63 over 7 is 9, and the signs match, both negative. Same signs, positive 9. Check. Negative 7 times positive 9 is negative 63. Perfect. Bigger numbers now. And the fill-in-the-box questions examiners love. A, negative 120 divided by negative 8. 120 over 8 is 15. Same signs, positive 15. B, 84 divided by negative 12. 84 over 12 is 7. Different signs, negative 7. C, a box times negative 6 equals 54. What is hiding in the box? Undo the multiplication with a division. The box is 54 divided by negative 6. 54 over 6 is 9. Different signs, negative 9. Check it. Negative 9 times negative 6. Same signs, positive 54. It fits. Division of integers appears whenever a total loss or drop is spread out over people, over hours, over days. Problem 1. A diver descends 48 meters in 8 minutes at a steady rate. Going down is negative. Negative 48 divided by 8, negative 6. She descends 6 meters every minute. Problem 2. A kiosk loses 900 shillings over 6 days, the same amount each day. Negative 900 divided by 6, negative 150 shillings per day. Problem 3. Overnight, the temperature fell 18 degrees in 3 hours steadily. Negative 18 divided by 3, negative 6. It dropped 6 degrees every hour. In all 3 problems, the negative sign carries the story: down, loss, drop. 2 mistakes to leave behind in this lesson, one about signs, one about zero. Mistake 1, seeing 2 negatives and keeping the negative. Negative 63 over negative 7 is not negative 9. Division follows multiplication's rules. Same signs give positive, positive 9. Always tested backwards. Negative 7 times 9 would be negative 63. So the 9 must be positive. Mistake 2, writing 5 divided by 0 equals 0. It does not. 5 divided by 0 is undefined. No answer exists. It is 0 divided by 5 that equals 0. 0 on top is fine. 0 at the bottom breaks the question. Golden habit. Check every division by multiplying back. It catches sign slips instantly, and it costs you 5 seconds. Let's gather the 3 keys from today. Every division is a multiplication in reverse, and you can always check your answer by multiplying back. The sign rules are multiplication's rules. Same signs positive, different signs negative. And 0, dividing 0 gives 0. Dividing by 0 is undefined. Pause and try these 3. A, negative 72 divided by 8. B, negative 56 divided by negative 4. C, 5 friends share a loss of 90 shillings. Equally, how much does each carry? Answers: A, negative 9. B, same signs, positive 14. C, negative 90 divided by 5. Each friend carries negative 18 shillings. Fresh practice questions are below the video. Next lesson, we put all 4 operations together, combined operations, and the order that makes them work. See you there.